Importing your Canva email design into Klaviyo allows you to leverage the creative tools in Canva while managing your campaigns in Klaviyo. Here's how you can do it. Design email in Canva. Create your email design in Canva. Once your design is complete, ensure it's suitable for email formats by adjusting dimensions. Download the design. Once you're happy with your design, click on the download button in the top right of Canva. Select the format that works best for email, JPEG or PNG for static images. For dynamic content, consider downloading the design as an HTML or GIF if applicable. Log into Klaviyo. Log into your Klaviyo account and navigate to the Campaigns or Flow section. Create a new email. Click Create Campaign or Create Flow. Choose your email template or start from scratch. Add the Canva design to Klaviyo. In the Klaviyo email builder, use the image block to upload your Canva design. You can also use the text block to add text over images if necessary. Adjust as needed. Make any final adjustments in Klaviyo's editor, such as adding links or call to action buttons. Test and send. Send a test email to ensure the design appears correctly. Then schedule or send the campaign.